Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cam in 2026 to protect yourself on the road, record accidents, or monitor your car while parked, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll look at the top 5 best dash cams of 2026, covering video quality, features, pros, cons, and who each camera is best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Thinkware F70 PRO Dash Cam. The Thinkware F70 PRO is a 1080p Full HD dash cam designed for drivers who want reliability and excellent night recording. It includes Wi-Fi connectivity and a 32GB micro SD card right out of the box. This dash cam focuses on safety rather than flashy features. Its super night vision and smart parking mode make it ideal for daily commuters and city drivers. The Thinkware app allows easy video access and settings control. Pros: excellent night vision performance, smart parking mode with motion detection, compact and discreet design, reliable brand quality. Cons: no rear camera support, only 1080p resolution. Drivers who want a simple, dependable dash cam with strong night recording. Number 2. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam, front and rear. The ROVE R2-4K features 4K front recording and Full HD rear recording, powered by the Starvis 2 sensor. It includes a free 128GB memory card and ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi. This is one of the best value dash cams in 2026. The video quality is extremely sharp, license plates are easy to read, and the mobile app allows lightning-fast downloads. The 24-hour parking mode adds extra protection. Pros: stunning 4K front video quality, front and rear camera coverage, fast 5G Wi-Fi downloads, free 128GB card included. Cons: larger body size, rear camera installation takes time. Drivers who want maximum video clarity and front plus rear protection. Number 3. Vantrue N2X Dual Dash Cam, front and inside. The Vantrue N2X records 2.7K front video and interior cabin footage, making it perfect for rideshare drivers. It features HDR/IR night vision, GPS, voice control, and supports up to 512GB storage. This dash cam is designed for professional drivers. The interior camera performs exceptionally well at night, even in complete darkness. Voice commands make it safer to use while driving. Pros: excellent interior night vision with IR LEDs, smooth 2.5K at 60 FPS recording, built-in GPS and voice control, ideal for Uber and taxi drivers. Cons: no rear camera included, slightly higher price. Uber, Lyft, taxi, and rideshare drivers. Number 4. ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam. The ROVE R2-4K Pro is a single-camera 4K dash cam with built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, WDR, and a 150-degree wide-angle lens. It supports up to 512GB memory cards. If you want premium 4K quality without multiple cameras, this model delivers. The GPS feature tracks speed and location, and the night performance is very solid for a single-lens dash cam. Pros: sharp 4K UHD recording, built-in GPS, fast Wi-Fi with mobile app, wide field of view. Cons: no rear camera, smaller screen size. Drivers who want high-quality 4K recording in a compact design. Number 5. BOTSLAB 4K 4-channel dash cam. The BOTSLAB 4-channel dash cam offers a 560-degree all-around view covering front, rear, and inside the car. It features 3K resolution, a touchscreen, voice control, GPS, and includes a free 128GB card. This is the most advanced dash cam on the list. It provides total coverage of your vehicle, making it ideal for families, professional drivers, or anyone serious about security. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. All the dashcam links are in the description below if you want to check them out. drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.